Hey guys, it's your boy Phantom Sports Studios here, and I'm back again with another destruction video. Yes, I said currently 8 o'clock in the morning, and well, I gotta start doing these videos at 8. You know, I can't not do them at 8 o'clock because I don't trust the fact that Mom, what time she'll come home, I can get caught in this. But as long as I fucking hell. As long as I do this, then we'll be done. So, yes, in the community post that I posted, I said there was gonna be some changes in the schedule. Well, I decided to post this video here today. So, we got the Jubilee scarecrow. I don't know how you pronounce it. It's right here on the back. This will be for destruction. The Walking Dead gun. Now, as you guys can see, I previously destroyed it because, well, for one, I don't want to get a copyright strike on it because I feel like this could be something that gets me a copyright strike, but this is the old gun, so, it's one of Walking Dead's products. I wanted to take it to safe risk, but I don't know. We'll just have to see how it is. Before I begin with the video, make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Turn post notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And check out my latest video. It is awesome. Check it out. Show more love to it. Anyway, let's get started. Alright, so one thing I want to do here is point out that I put a Decepticon logo on my bag here. Yeah. It was an old Decepticon logo from Cybertron. I know this has nothing to do with the video, but yeah, I'll just shut up. Alright, next up, first up for execution is the Jubilee Scarecrow. Now, terms for him, I'm going to be having to either maybe zoom in to him being destroyed. This is already taking up 10 minutes. Okay, so well, there we go. That escalated pretty quickly. Smashed. Well, he's gone. Well, he's done for. Well, he's finished, so. Damn, y'all, look at the side of his, look at the half of his head. Like, he's like half, of himself now. Damn. I have my feelings the rest of him is out there. Anyway, so, next up is this, multi-outlet for destruction. I'm destroying this one because it's something that my brother once destroyed. It doesn't work anymore, so alright, well, I'm really hoping you guys can see well. I'm gonna turn it down the brightness a bit here. That's a little too dark. Okay. For one reason, I can't see all that well because of the sun, rising out here. I'm doing this at 8, so. What was that? I don't know. That's not. Oh, someone in a black truck just turned around. Oh, yeah, I'm not too sure what much I can do with this one here. I'm not trying to take all day with this one because I only can record up to 15 minutes and 25 seconds. But it's very much destroyed, y'all. It's being shown. It's very much destroyed. Just trying to make sure it's being shown, so. All I can very much do is just flatten this thing out. That's very much all I could do. Next up here is my old on AC adapter. This went with my tablet. Both flew around. This used to go to my tablet, but unfortunately it does not because it's been, well, because I for one destroyed it from rage. I headbutted the I straight up headbutted the screen for the tablet. I was raging at Roblox. Yes, I was. And that's why I ain't around anymore. And that could have been the future device. That could have been my device I could have used. But however, yeah, this is before I had a phone, y'all. So this thing's a piece of shit. Y'all, the damn. Wait. Huh. This came out. Ooh. Y'all, the chip just fucking flew out. I'm just trying to make sure you guys can see. Damn, it flew completely out of the whole thing. Well, you ain't functioning anymore, so that's fine. I don't even want you to function. Whatever, you're done for anyways. Alright, let's destroy the rest of this and then we get to the final thing. Actually, I don't think there's much I can do with this one. I mean, if I was putting a hole in it. Look, I'll just, you know what? Do one more hit at it. Okay? Yeah, it's as good as it get, y'all. I mean, this is as good as it get. Fuck. It's the trash. Alright. 7 minutes. Walking Dead gun. I'm gonna have to break this bitch into parts, so I might be destroying some of this off camera, so I don't know. Let's just quickly get this done here. Motherfucker. You motherfucker. Hold on, let me just destroy the rest. Alright, here's the other part. And I got the stock right here. Only so much I can show, so. Okay, that goes on. Leg. Motherfucker. Alright, I have 9 minutes left, so I gotta hurry this up now. Okay. Now this is the last part, and I'm gonna go back inside and just clean the trash and dump the shit out. Because for one, my parents don't need to see this type of stuff, so I'll probably be dumping all this out. Just to make sure you see this stuff here. If any of y'all ever think to do this type of stuff, if this is giving you hard trouble, hold it down from the back. If it's one of these guns, hold it down from the back so it doesn't like, so you don't fuck yourself. But of course, I still don't advise any of y'all doing this. This is entertainment purposes only. This is okay. Ugh. Ow, fuck. What the? Alright, I'm gonna clean it up. Okay, I guess I could show some of this here. I'm gonna be putting this in the bag. But, nice. I hate Kroger bags, bro. I hate them. Look, y'all. Look, I'm not good. I'm just gonna take this out. Okay, y'all, so I just decided what I'll be doing with this bag. Okay, I put this in a Kroger bag for reasons. Because, well, we don't have very much garbage bags. Focus. Focus. Thank you. We don't have very much garbage bags, y'all, so the camera's got shit on it. It's got some stuff on it. It's so fucking, oh, son, it's so fucking bright out here. Alright, that's what I've decided to do is just put this in a trash bag. In a garbage bag. Look, I think that's just what I'm gonna do. That's just what I'm gonna do. Because there's no other reason why I can't do that, you know. I don't have any other way. I don't have any other things to do. Because I mean, look, this bag here is like not even empty at all. Like there's just stuff in there, but however, it's just not empty. It isn't like it's not worth the time to dump all that shit in there. So, or either maybe I can grab it and hold on to it. Maybe it might be a more smarter idea. I don't know. I might do that. I might go back and grab that bag and maybe hold on to it for now and then wait till it gets to that trash bag gets filled up, y'all, so then I can dump the shit in there. Alright, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video / vlog. If you did, make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And we're already at 16 subscribers. Keep showing love to the channel, you guys. I love you, man. I love you guys, man. I love you guys so much. And yeah, peace out, everybody. Also, stay tuned to my next destruction video. Will be coming out on Friday. Because, well, tomorrow is Wednesday, and I cannot... And, you know, I kind of would like to enjoy at least 2 days of rest before Friday comes. So, I know I'm going to have to do this again at 8 o'clock. But I will be deciding what I'll be destroying and what's not going to be destroyed. What I'll be deciding. So, yeah, peace out, everybody.